Former Chief Minister and leader of opposition Bhupen Singh Hooda has strongly condemned the lathi charge against farmers and Bastara Toll Plaza in Karnal. Hooda said that the farmers were protesting about 15 kilometers away from the BJP program. Despite this, the police went there and rained strict on them. The farmers on Saturday blocked National and State Highway after the police lathi charged protesters in the Haryana Karnal. India's violinist Ranjit Bhatti bowed out of Paralympics after failing to register even a single violin throw in his sixth attempt in the men's class F57 final here on Saturday. Refuting results of a US report tracing the origins of the COVID-19 virus, Beijing has lodged solemn representations with Washington, terming the report as completely political and having no scientificity and credibility. A crowd stand to get into Hamid Karzai International Airport and converged at Abbey Gate, a main interway manned by Marines and other service members. Max Verstappen led teammate Sergio Perez in a Red Bull 1-2 on Saturday in a wet final Formula One practice session for the Belgian Grand Prix. It's called the loneliest job in the world for a reason, surrounded by everything a superpower can offer and watched by all. President Joe Biden bore the weight of a lonely man as he came to grips in recent days with the deadly end of the American efforts in Afghanistan and tried to keep the focus on what to him is the bottom line. The Taliban deployed extra forces around Kabul's airport Saturday to prevent large crowds from gathering after a devastating suicide attack 2 days earlier as a massive US-led airlift boomed down ahead of an August 31 deadline. As part of its preparation for the ambitious India's first human space flight mission, Gaganyaan, the Indian Space Research Organization, on Saturday said it successfully conducted a hot test of the system demonstrated model of the service module propulsion system. India is fast progressing in discussion on different free trade agreements with countries including the UK and the UAE to further enhance trade and investment ties, Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal said on Saturday. Love Aajkal 2 fame actress Sara Ali Khan decided to take a break from the monotony of day-to-day life. Thus, she packed her bags and headed to the mountains of Ladakh with Radhika Madan and other ladies.